Yes, good morning to everyone. I welcome you all class 2 EVS. Okay, see here students. So in this lesson, that is the new lesson will started here, that is lesson number 9, that is my safety. Yes students, we can understanding from this lesson. So from heading only we can understanding safety. Yes, safety means how we can be caring of ourselves. Personally, how we will be care of ourselves. So how we will be take safety. Yes, so we can understanding here. So your elders will tell you what they can tell you. Don't go there. So don't touch that. Yes, they are telling no. So because why they are telling means they are tell you to because of safetyness, because that is a harm to you, that will become wound for you. That's purpose they will tell you don't touch that one, don't go there. So they'll tell like that only. Okay. Students, from this lesson we can understanding overall we can be understanding from this lesson here. So to develop the personally safety, how we will be take a personal safety and also in a local environmental and also simple methods of safety. So simple methods, easy methods, how we will be take of the safety, how we will be maintain personally take a, or how we will be develop the personal safety. So okay, so they can given here, see here in this picture, a mother is cutted the vegetables. Yes, so a daughter, okay, so that girl is come and they are also, she is also asking what she is also asking. So I will also cut the vegetables. So like that she told. So here see in this second picture her mom is went, she started to cut the vegetables. Yes, she started to cut the vegetables. Here see what will happen when she is cutting the vegetables, she cutted her finger. Yes, when she is cutted the vegetables, she cut the finger. So our mom give the first aid. Yes, she here. So our mom is come and give the first aid. Yes, so this is the one example for to personally how we will be develop the safetyness. Whenever we will be do for harmfulness, if it is harmful that one, if it is wounded for us, so we will do carefully, we will maintain carefulness. Yes, okay, so say why the girl is finger wounded. Yes, why the girl finger is wounded? Because her mother is cutting the vegetables. She entered, she will tell, so I will cut the vegetables. Yes, so her mom is went, she started to cut the vegetables. When she cutting the vegetable, she cutted the finger. So whatever we will be do, we will see carefully, we will do the work. Whatever work we will be do, so carefully we will do the work. If it is harmful for us, that word, that things what we will be do, so carefully will do the work. Yes, understood this one? Okay. Here see students, some of the pictures they can be given here. That is first one picture that can be given here. What we can call this picture? This picture we can be called as knife. What we can call this one? This one we can call as a knife. What purpose we will use this knife? We'll cutting some things or as cutting the vegetables. Yes, so they can be given here picture some of the things which are used commonly in our house. It means, so this knife is we are using in our house. So what purpose? To cutting whatever things we will be cutting, we are use a rope or as thread, we will be cut the from the knife, and also vegetable also cut the from the knife we will be cut the vegetables. So here write their names in the boxes provided. Have you ever tried to use these things and why? Yes, so knife, you are using knife. Yes, what purpose you are using knife? So you are using for the knife to cutting the vegetables. Yes, what purpose? To cutting the vegetables. Yes, second one they can be given here. That picture is, that is blade. This picture, see the picture, this one we can call as a blade. Yes, So blade we are using, what purpose you are using blade? So you are very small, no, you are not using the blades. Yes, but in your house the elders are used the blade. Okay, so this blade is using for the elders, so they are using some work, so cutting the thread they are using, and cutting the plastic if it is the pack, that is also to open, so it is used to this one. And third one they can be given here, see this picture. So what we can call this one? Yes, tell me what we can call this one. This one we can call, that is hammer. What we can call this one? This is hammer. Yes, what purpose we will use to hammer? What purpose we will be using of this one? To what it is? So whatever if it is we are using to build, or as a nail, it means nail we will be put the hammer. Yes, so this purpose we are using. And next one they can be given here, see. So that one, so you are using in home, this one picture, see this picture. So you are using this one. Yes, this one we can call that one, that is a mortar. What we can call this one? That is mortar. This is used to, why we will use this one? So this is used to grinding. Yes, we are using mixer now, but in olden days they are using this only. So we are using to grind some chutneys, we are using some of the gravies, we will be, the masala we will be grind, so that purpose it will be used. Which one? Mortar. Okay, and next one they can be given here, that is we can call this one. Yes, what we can call this one? That is we can call as a grater. Or as we can call this one, so vegetable cutter. Yes, we are used to cut the vegetable. Yes, so in your house, so you are using to, in your elders, in your house the elders are using to cut the vegetables. Your mom is, when she is cooking, so she is using to cut the vegetables. Yes, okay, next one. So this one, what we can call this one? This is, we can call, this is iron box. What we can call this one? This is iron box. So what purpose we are using this iron box? Yes, what purpose we are using this iron box? To iron the cloths. So when you will come to school, no, so in school the teachers will say, so you come in discipline, so you should be clean your dress, should be iron your dress, they will tell, no, so will be, your dress will be ironed. So what purpose we will use? So cloth ironing. Yes, we are using to cloth iron. Okay, so here next one, that is they can given here, see, this is already, it means you are using this one. So this is using, what we can call this one? So this is we can call scissor. What we can call this one? This is we can call as scissor. The pair of scissors we can call. Yes, what purpose we are using this scissor? Yes, tell me students, what purpose we are using this scissor? We are using this scissor to cut a paper, something in your class the teacher will tell you something, it means assignments they can be given here, cut the pictures and put the assignment in the pages. Yes, so you will be using for the cutted, or as a graft, it means whatever you will be making as a graft, so you will be using, for craft we will be using. Yes, so in craft making they are using to scissor to cut the papers. Yes, and also we are using to scissor to cut the paper, or as a things, rope, rope and a thread we will be use. Okay, and next one they can given here, see here, this is we can call as a gas stove. What we can call this one? That is gas stove. Yes, what purpose we are using gas stove? In your house all are having the gas. Okay, in each and every house all the people are having the gas. Why they are having the gas? because this gas is helps to cook the food. Yes, in olden days they are using what they are using for using to wood fuel, okay, like here, and but here using here the gas. This is easy method to cook here. Yes, so in our mom they are using to prepare food, so they are used gas. Okay, understood about these all the things? Yes. So next one they can given here. What they can given here? Explain these pictures. Some of the pictures they can be given here. We will explain that one. Can you see the children getting hurt in these pictures? So below what they can given no pictures here. See what they can given here pictures. Can you see like this means getting hurt like this? And also why are they getting hurt? Yes, why? It means we will getting the hurt. And have you ever done anything so careless before? Before careless you will do like anything. And how will you protect yourselves from such dangers? So how we will be protect from yourselves? So how we will be protect safety to you? Okay, see here in the first picture a boy is put the finger into the boiling water. It is good, no? So is it good for keeping the your finger in the boiling water? No, because that is a dangerous. It is wounded for us. So it is harmful to us. That is not good for us. Yes. So he is hurted no. Okay. So in second picture, see here, she is cutting the finger. See here, the blood is flow. Yes. So here see, she is cutted the nails. So she cutted the finger. Yes, the blood is flowing. This is also harmful to you. Don't do like this. So what your elders they'll tell no. So you will be follow the rules of elders. Yes, why they will become tell you? Because of like this only. You don't do like this no. So they will tell you don't touch the harmful things. Don't touch the dangerous. Yes, yes. So in the next one, see. In the third picture, a boy is when he was in walking. See that is the thorn is put to his leg. Yes, so it is also very harmful. That is a sharp. It is yes, the tip is very sharp. It is harm to our leg only no. Yes, here see that is in the fourth picture. The boy is running. So he is going very fast. So slipping his leg and fall down. Yes, so these are third, fourth one picture. And here see fifth one picture what it tells here. So the boy is kept the finger into the where? In the shoot. So what will happen? You will get shocked no? Yes, you are only wounded, so you are only hurted no. So don't do like this. Okay. And in the fifth picture, see here in this picture, so he is sloping. Here see he is fell down from the up. Okay. And here see she is also cutted the finger. What she is doing? He is working with hammer. So what will he is injured his finger. Yes, so these all the things what it can they can be show here. So these all things are harmful to us. Yes, so we can, it means you can't do like this. Okay, understood no? And here see the boy is, so the boy is put at the cracker. So it is also very dangerous. Yes, so here see the boy is throwing a stone to the girl. Yes, so these all are very dangerous things. Okay, and we should not use a knife or a pair of scissors and saw without the help of elders. If you are there, it means in your house these things are there. So like a scissors, knife, then cutter, hammer, blade. If it is there, it means is there in your house, don't touch that. If you want, so you will be what? Asked to your elders. Okay, so you should ask to your elders, so they will give you, they are help to you. So if we follow the advice of elders, we will never be in danger. Yes, if we will be follow these all the things, okay, so what will happening, we will be never in the danger. Yes, so we will be follow these all the things, rules we will be tell you. Okay, so learn to use these things carefully with the help of elders. Whatever you want to, if it is you want these things, so you will ask to your elders, what they'll tell you, they'll give you help, so they'll tell you how to use these all the things. Okay, and here see, don't throw a piece of bangle, blade, glass pieces in the playground or in your classrooms. Yes, why will not we throw like these dangerous things into the class or as into the playground? Yes, tell me students, why we are not but we throw these all the things? Because these all the things are harm to us only. Yes, so these all are very dangerous. So if you are be throw in the blade or as a bangle, piece of bangle, so if you will be put a leg on this, on the these things, so we will harm our leg, that our leg will be wound. Yes, so don't throw a piece of bangle, blade, glass pieces on the playground or in the classroom. Okay, take the guidance of the teachers in the school when you are using a knife or as a switch. Yes, you are in home, you will be take your elders help, or as in, it means you are in a school, so whatever you will take a help of teachers. Okay, so whatever if you are using that knife or as a switch, you are please put the buttons, so somebody tell you put the buttons, so don't go there, so without teachers instructions. Yes, okay, next one, make sure that there are no sharp things like pieces of glass and waste things on the playground while you play. See here, make sure that there are no sharp things like pieces of glass and waste, whatever waste things, if the things are harmful to us. Yes, those things don't play in the ground, means using of don't things, so the using of those things don't play in the ground. Okay, so they are sharpness to you, it is very sharp. If it is something, whatever it is happen, so blood will be flow. Yes, so you will be take care whenever you will be do from these things, whatever you will be do from these things, so care means take care of when you are, means when you are working from these things. Okay, there will be a students who are younger to you, be cautious and see that they are not in danger. Yes, so there will be a students who are younger to you. Younger to you, it means when you are in a second standard, no, so with first standard students, LKG, UKG students, very younger from you. Yes, so what you will give a instruction to them, don't put that one, it is very dangerous, it is very harmful, tell to you only those things, those people. Yes, because very small those all are, you know that all the things, because you are already studying now. Yes, so it means already you know that is after things, means what you will do, whenever you will be see the angers, whenever they'll doing like this, means harmful things touching, or as they are going near to that places, so you will be tell to as a give instruction to them. Yes, okay, and you may come across some danger even when you are out of your house. So whenever you will be danger, yes, out of your house or as maybe in your house, so be carefully whatever you will do, means carefully you will do the work. Yes, personally, so you will be take care. See students, next they can given here, look at the given pictures, put a right mark for the correct actions and a wrong mark for the incorrect actions. Discuss the reasons with your friends. They can given here in the first picture, that they can be given is she cutted the nails. Yes, we can understanding. So it is a correct action. It is correct for you. She cutted the nails. She cutted the nails. It is correct for you? No. It is dangerous to our health. So it's not a correct for us. That is incorrect. Yes. Second one, a boy is playing with hammer and a nail. So he is injured his finger. This is correct way. So you are playing with these things? Yes? No. This is also wrong. Next one. Whenever you are going on the road, you are going in the middle of the road, no? You are walking on the middle of the road. Yes, tell me, you are walking on the middle of the road. That is the good way. What we follow the roads means signals we will be follow. So and which way we will be travel, which in the part of the road in where we will be walk. Yes, we will be walk in the side of the road. Yes, so this is the wrong. So middle of the road, if we will be walk, some vehicles will be come and hit us. Yes, okay. And next one, a boy is walking in here see side of the road. Yes, it is very safe. Yes, we can tell you this is the right method. It is correct. Okay. Yes, next one, see here, a girl is cracking. So put the cracking. She is far from cracker. See, she is far from cracker. So this is a good thing. So we will be stand far from the cracker and put the crackers. Okay. Yes. And here see a girl is here see put the crackers with her hand, hold her hand and put the crackers. It is a good thing? No, because if we will be touched like that one, it is harmful to us only. Our hand it will be burned. Yes, so don't do like that. Okay. And next one, that girl is here see. So a girl is eating banana. Okay, when she was walking in the middle of the road. Okay, she is eating banana and also she throw the peel in the means she throw the peel on the road only. Is a correct way? Yes, tell me students, it is correct? No, it is not a correct. When we will be eat the bananas, we will be throw in a dustbin. Yes, okay. That is the will maintain our environment clean. This is one way of cleaning environment. Yes. Yes. So here see the girl is eat the banana and she kept the peel into the dustbin. Okay. She put the peel into the dustbin. This is the correct way. Yes, we can understanding. This is correct. Yes, we can understanding from these lessons how to personally caring and how to personally develop the safetyness. Yes, develop personal safety and what we can be follow from our elders and what we can be follow from what they are tell to us teachers. These all the things we will be follow, we will be safe from dangerous. Yes, understood no? Yes. So I hope you understood this lesson. So tomorrow will continue, that is the new chapter will start. Thank you for watching.